So this is the new Huawei Watch Fit 3, a smartwatch that promises to be lightweight, stylish, packed with health-related features, and at a starting price of $139.99, cost competitive. Now, the Watch Fit 3 is compatible with Android, but also iOS. So if you did, for example, want to pair a competent fitness tracker with your iPhone, but wanted to keep a few quid in your pocket, then this might actually be a better alternative than an Apple Watch, for example, which it also shares many design similarities with. There are, of course, only so many ways you can design a watch, and 99% of them are either going to be round or square, so there's nothing necessarily hugely unique here, but I think the term, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, comes to mind. And while super light at just 26 grams without the strap, it still feels really well built in its aluminium alloy casing. In fact, because it is so light and thin at just 9.9 millimeters, I actually sometimes forget that I'm wearing it. So it's absolutely perfect for exercise, and there are over 100 plus workout modes with auto detection on 6 different types of exercises. You can manually start any by pressing the bottom right button and selecting your session, with the top right crown taking you to all your apps. Now, the crown also rotates, and it has this really nice haptic feedback to it, giving it that authentic crown feel with all those lovely tiny vibrations. But the first thing that struck me was actually the watch face, and in particular the display. It feels super smooth to navigate thanks to the 1.82-inch AMOLED 2.5D panel, and I actually thought the refresh rate was higher than 60Hz on first impressions, just due to how snappy it actually feels. It is also super bright at 1500 nits peak, and has a screen to body ratio of 77.4%, so pretty small bezels too. Setting up the watch is super simple. Simply download the Huawei Health app from the iOS App Store, Samsung Galaxy Store, Huawei App Gallery, or from the Huawei website in the form of an APK. Once downloaded, go to Devices, Add Device, and it will scan for your Watch Fit 3. Select your watch and bingo. On the app within your device, you can customize your watch face, settings for health monitoring, sleep, notifications, etc. And then also along the bottom of the app, you have your exercise records, heart rate, sleep, stress, and things like blood oxygen and pressure levels, etc. Now, Huawei have put so much time and effort into their health facilities, like opening their health lab in Finland, that without doubt, they are producing some of the most accurate health tracking on the market. 5 new sports modes have been added, including paddle and football, and you also have a new True Sleep 4.0, which adds 3 more genres of data: sleep breathing rate, sleep heart rate, and sleep blood oxygen, and TrueScene 5.5, which has improved heart rate monitoring accuracy, and the new calendar view allows you to see current, previous, and upcoming menstrual cycle information. Something I can't really vouch for, having never tested it, but that might be a great option for the ladies out there. The watch has a 5 ATM rating, so fine to use to track swimming sessions, and there are 6 different colours with differing strap options, which may suit certain people better depending on your general activities. For reference, I have the grey option, which comes with this breathable Velcro nylon weave strap. There's also a more fashion-focused leather option and silicone ones as well. The Watch Fit 3 has also upgraded its sports features based around 3 key areas: eat, move, and stay fit. The watch offers nutritional analysis to promote a balanced diet and exercise regime, and using AI, introduces suggestions of types of exercises based on your habits and weather conditions when daily activities have not quite been met yet. Basically, a little hint when you're being a bit lazy. This might help to make a weight management journey slightly easier and more scientific, almost like having a mini personal trainer. It also adds fitness-focused features, including exclusive and immersive audio and animation fitness guidance on warming up and stretching, which is pretty cool. And the Health app also offers over 660 workout courses, including exclusive fat burning and body sculpting sessions. Let's get sculpted for summer. Come on! I definitely need to do some of that. But what if you're not into health tracking at all, and you just want a smartwatch for notifications to let you know what's going on, so you don't have to glance at your phone all the time, control music, as an example? Well, you can definitely do that too here, with notifications available with a quick swipe from the bottom, and there is a music app which you can listen to downloaded music. You can't respond, in my experience, to notifications, but I tend not to on smartwatches anyway, and you can also pause and change tracks that are playing on a music service on your phone. A swipe down gives you the quick settings access, and swiping left and right gives you live weather, activity rings, heart rate, calendar, and things like moon phase if lunar cycles excite you. Tell you what did excite me recently: northern lights in the sky in the UK, which is a bit bizarre. Although you can only see it through your phone, so was it real at all, is the question. With a full battery, the Watch Fit 3 can last up to 10 days, although with a more standard or typical use scenario, it's about a week, which is still excellent compared to many other smartwatches, and you can get a day's power with a 10-minute charge. The Watch Fit 3 has seen a UI update with upgrades to fonts and colours, and it's just really easy to navigate with all of the core features of a fitness tracker at your fingertips. Overall, they've kept many things that have worked on previous Huawei smartwatches here. They've just tweaked a few things and just made things a bit more streamlined and made improvements where necessary. And certainly if your budget is between £100 and £150, then the Watch Fit 3 is a great option that you might want to consider for either Android or your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. I'll try my best to answer them. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful and want to see more, and check out some of my other videos that I've left here that I think you might enjoy. My name's Adam. You've been the best as always. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.